Hey you guys, I created this look really quick and easy, and if you want to find out how, stay with me. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell. As you guys know, clearly I love makeup and I love to do my makeup, but there are some days that you just want to get on the road, get going, get to where you need to be, and you don't need to do a full face, but you want to look presentable. I will be honest with you, I very, very rarely am just barefaced, nothing on. So I wanted to show you a quick and easy way that you can just do a quick look presentable, you know, makeup makes me feel good. So I put a little bit on. So this is a quick and easy way to just make you feel pretty. Because this is quick and easy, there are gonna be some products that obviously I omit from a more glamorous look, but I still feel like they're necessary for my everyday, whether I'm, you know, putting a ton of shadow on or not. So one thing that I do is eyeshadow base. I feel like it is a very necessary thing for me because I have dark lids and they're kind of, it's weird, they're dry and oily. Crazy, right? So anyways, eyeshadow it is. So here we go, let's get started. This is the Sigma eyeshadow base. I like it because it has a little bit of color to it and it's creamy enough to where it looks nice and I don't have to put a shadow over it because I'm not going to be putting shadow over it. I'm using it as a base / primer. Okay, we're gonna go right in with the cheek leader because I love to use this palette for multiple things and it's easy on the go. I'm gonna use the Hula Caramel. It's the darker of the two. And I just put it right in the crease. So this is a bronzer, but I just use it as my shadow for an everyday look. And you'll see it just gives that nice little bit of color to where you have something and you're not bare. And then I'll take my finger and go in with the Cookie is called, and I just place it right on my lid. Again, this is a highlighter. You don't have to do this, but I like to just brighten up my lids because I'm not using any eyeliner. And because I'm not using eyeliner, this is very, very important. It is the Lancome eyelash curler. I don't wear falsies. If you're looking for a quick and easy look, you're not gonna put false eyelashes on. But curling your lashes makes all the difference, honestly. So I just give them a little curl. And I kind of go down to the end of my lashes. So this is the Lancome Cils Booster and I love to use it. I use it every day because it really lifts the lashes and gives them just that extra something that you want, even when you're doing a very easy natural look. A little bit of that. I'm gonna let it dry just a little tiny bit and I'll go right in with Effacernes. Now I'm using Effacernes, this is from Lancome, because it's just a simple lengthening mascara. Again, I don't need drama on my eyelashes right now. I just want length because I want a little bit of makeup, but I don't want it crazy. I just want it quick and easy. So this is one coat on each. I think I'll do one more. And again, I'm just kind of going in and doing this because I want you to see really how quickly you can get your face done and out the door. I'll do one more coat. I normally don't put mascara on the bottom, but when I'm doing a look like this that doesn't have any liner, I will put just a little bit on the bottom. Eyes are done. I'm not doing any brows. I just have a little bit of my eyes there and I'm finished. I'm gonna go in with concealer. Some people, when they're doing a quick and easy look, they don't want to use concealer. For me, it's a necessity. I like it. I like, just like primer, I think it brightens up the whole area. I usually will, you know, set it down with the sponge, but because I'm in a hurry, let's say, and I need to get to my kids' program, I am just doing it quick and easy with my fingers. I use the ring finger because I know it has less pressure on the eye area, and I learned that a long time ago. And so I've always just used the ring finger. It's less pressure in that area that's so sensitive. And then I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and just, you know, cover up some spots that I need covered. Now, this step, concealing is done. This step is your face. I'm gonna use CC cream. You could use a powder too. I just don't use powder anymore, so that's not an option for me. But a powder's nice and quick and easy too. If you have like one of those foundation powders, you could do that. I'm using the CC cream from It Cosmetics. It is a full coverage CC cream color corrector. It's a serum foundation, lasts all day. Really, I could put it on with my hands if I wanted to, but I'm not because I like a brush. And it just goes in and gives you a real even toned look. And this is kind of funny because I'm using a little tiny mirror, so I can't even see my whole face. I'm hoping it's blended okay. But this is more real life maintenance, right? Like say you're getting ready really fast and you don't have, I don't know, access to a full mirror. So now I'm gonna go back into the palette from the Cheek Leader palette from Benefit and just do the regular Hoola as my bronzer. And just bronze up my face. head here. The main thing is to just add a little bit of, even tone, evenness to the face. The key things would be CC cream, mascara, and lipstick. I think those are, like, if I had to choose my minimal, that's what I would choose. I always use a lip liner, so I'm using a lip liner. This is the lipstick from Lancome. I love it, and it stays all day, and it blends out nicely. And then this is the natural line from Too Faced. This is called Birthday Suit. Blend it together, and we're ready to go. I am ready for the day. I don't know, I didn't time myself. I don't think Ness was timing me, but I think that's pretty quick makeup application. And I feel like I am presentable enough to go pretty much anywhere if I wanted to. I don't mind if I see a friend and they go, hey, let's go to lunch. I wouldn't feel like embarrassed or anything. So, not that you guys that don't wear makeup at all should feel embarrassed, but for me personally, I like a little bit of something. There it is, quick and easy, makeup ready to go. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.